Hello, this is Chris Menard. I was asked a great OneNote question. The question was, how do you delete a notebook you no longer need? Unlike other applications in Microsoft Office, so I am running Windows, by the way. Unlike other applications, if I go to File in Excel, I can just right-click and delete the file. That's actually pretty easy. Same thing would apply to Word and PowerPoint. But in OneNote, to delete the notebook, here are the steps. I'm going to cover them real quick, but I'm also going to throw out this Microsoft support article right here. Will be in the description. My notebooks are stored in OneDrive, but I'll also show you if they're stored locally how to do this. I'm running OneNote 2016, but I also have OneNote for Windows 10 app. It doesn't matter which one you use. I find it easier to delete with OneNote 2016. I want to point out the hardest part of this. It says open OneDrive and find the notebook in your list of documents. Well, it's not that easy to find notebooks sometimes, so I've got OneNote 2016 running. I don't care what notebook you right click on, but I need to get rid of, as an example, there's a notebook in here I need to get rid of, so I'm just going to right click any notebook and go to Properties. And right here is the location field, but if I hit change location, it will actually open up and show me where all my notebooks are stored. Right here's the notebook I was currently in. I'm going to just go back one and click Documents, and here are all my OneNote notebooks right here. The notebook I don't need, test to a PDF, right click, delete it. If you delete a OneNote notebook, it is gone forever, so just make sure that's what you want to do. I'm going to hit yes. Test a PDF, I'm going to delete that one. So there's another one I'm going to get rid of. And this Chris Menard 1 notebook, I don't need that. I was testing something. So there are 3 notebooks I got rid of. I'm going to hit cancel, cancel. It is very important that after you delete a notebook, you need to go make sure the notebook's closed, or else it'll try to sync again, and then you're going to get sync error messages. So all mine are closed, but if one was running, I'm going to pick on this Susan Pyle emails. I'm going to right click, and I would close that notebook, right click, close this notebook. So make sure that notebook is not running and is closed after you delete it. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your time.